So
Oh,
I have a nice box here.
What is
It has,
that?
It has some. I think it's Kyrgyz language. I took it back from Kyrgyzstan. He has a certificate. I got it. I got this from a very important person from Kyrgyzstan. Very recently, just completely by luck. So we take it out. It's pretty heavy. I'll put this down. You can see, like it says, Kyrgyzstan, 1,000 grams, fine gold, 99.9.9, and a serial number. Try it.
Yes. Yeah, it's heavy.
Is it real gold or no?
Well, I don't know. I mean, is this what you're trying to? I mean, let's see how it looks.